Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Thank you for the high level honor done to us. And we need to anchor this. I agree with you that China-Nigerian relations that is over half a century should further strengthen our trade and economic development program. Nigeria has a very great potential as largest population in Africa and is the biggest economy. A very young population to drive the economic development and programs. You have upgraded the relationship to more than what is just strategic, a comprehensive developmental program. I agree with you. The strategic partnership should result in our regional development goals. Peace, stability, security in West Africa is very, very crucial. Nigeria remains committed to our economic development, forthright, non-aligned, and we are on the path to economic reforms that will engender growth. We believe that you have reformed the Chinese economy, and our program too is on that course. I am a reformer.